What up, goats? Welcome to part 2 of preparing for H2Oi. So today's actually day 2. It's Friday. Today's the day that I actually leave for H2Oi. So I just need to finish preparing. I need to get the oil change. I need to also look underneath the car to make sure everything is good. Try to do a tire rotation, maybe get some new tires, I don't know yet. And also make sure everything else on the car is copacetic. So let's finish that up. And then we're gonna head down to FDR, meet up with the rest of the gang from Philly, and we're gonna roll out. Let's get it.
Overtime.
So now you're just gonna check under it to make sure the car good. It should be good.
You need soy balance.
Do I need that right now?
Not at the moment, but you see this one is missing. You got this one on this side.
Okay, so I need soy bar links. You said one is missing? All right. Flex pipe is good.
Transmission leaking like hell.
My transmission is almost done. I knew it. I knew it was coming. All right, where is this exhaust flapping from? Found the culprit. Right here. Right here. You just put it in the hole. Pause. Literally, all he has to do is turn this down and push this in that hole. Now my hands dirty. Fuck. But y'all get the picture. This is the reason why my exhaust is fucking dangling like no tomorrow. But apart from that, Pop, how the car look on it, man?
Looks good.
It's good to drive?
Yeah, it's good drive.
Alright. So I just finished getting my oil change at Pop. I tried to get a car wash, but they were booked up for the day. And I'm scared to go to a regular car wash for the simple fact I just put the stickers on, so I know for a fact the stickers is gonna give some trouble. They're probably gonna come off if I go to a regular car wash. So now I gotta figure something else out. Let's see. I'm gonna figure something out and get back to y'all. All right, y'all, so that's pretty much it for the prepping. I prepped as much as I could. I did everything that I could. My car really don't need much to be prepped. I just need oil. Car's already good on suspension, tires, everything is good. I needed a wash, but I wasn't able to get a wash. So I'm probably gonna get a wash when I get down to OC. But that's pretty much it for the part 2 of preparing for H2Oi. Now let's get started with going to H2Oi. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Next video gonna be hot, it's gonna be crazy. So stay tuned for that, let's get it.